and here I'm going to be talking about your website hosting and your domain name. As far as your website hosting and your domain name go, do you suppose it matters what you buy first? You betcha it does. Why? Because when you register your domain name, if you already know who your web hosting company is going to be, you can save time when it comes to setup. Let's begin here by saying DNS means domain name server or domain name system, and this is the actual physical space that everything you add to your website is stored. A web server is a storage device that looks very similar to a desktop computer. The internet needs to know exactly where the server is located in order to send web surfers, aka people, to your website. Usually, we're assigned two names for this step, which we enter in when we buy our domain name. For example, GoDaddy.com's DNS are something like ns1.secureserver.com and ns2.secureserver.com, whereas HostGator has theirs something like you see here. Our web hosting company sends us an email with this information when you buy it, so make sure that you have it saved in a safe place. Everyone that makes money, whether that's online or offline, uses tools. Just as construction workers use their tools, internet marketers use their tools too. Although there are a lot of great internet marketing tools that you can actually get for free, three of them that cost us money are your domain name, your website hosting, and an autoresponder. These are tools that you don't want to use the free versions of, even if you can find them. Would you rather do business with people that uses tools like this or tools like this? That's right, let's be professional from the get-go. Don't worry, the cost of being professional really isn't that much. Your domain name normally costs from $10 up to $25 or even more each year. I'm going to show you how you can usually grab one for only $1.49 for our first year, and then $10 to $15 each year after that. Your website hosting can cost from $5 a month up to $200 monthly or more to rent a dedicated server. I'm going to show you where you can get professional website hosting from one of the largest companies in the world for under $10 a month. Now, your autoresponder is a software used to send messages out to many people all at once, like on a newsletter list. These usually cost anywhere from $12.95 up to and above $130 monthly, and they are a necessity. I'm going to show you where to get it free if you get the web hosting that I'm about to recommend. If you already have website hosting, I'll show you where to get the best autoresponder for only $9.97 a month. As a matter of fact, there's a company called Host and Profit that gives you website hosting and an autoresponder all in one place for only $9.97 a month, and that's why I recommend it. My advice is to start with this and work your way up if you need to. At this time, all of my websites are hosted on GVO, Host and Profit. Now, if you already have website hosting, you can skip the rest of this video and move on to the video on how to buy your domain name. For people that are going to take my advice and use website hosting and an autoresponder from Host and Profits, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up a GVO Host and Profit account. So below this video that you're watching now, you'll either see a button like this or else a link like this. When you click on it, a web page will open up, and just to the right of the short video, you should see a little box like this that either says referred by Jarvis Marketing, or else it may say referred by Nana Team Online. Either way works. So I'll walk you through a bit of this on a live website. Simply click here. On this page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. What you do is click, yes, I want my 7-day $1 trial. Click here. Enter in your full name and email address. And what you do is click here to create an account. You choose a username and a password and verify the password. Click here to agree to the terms and conditions. You can read them here if you want to. Click here to create an account. Scroll down a little bit. Fill in your billing information, and then right here you click on place your order. Now what's going to happen here is that GVO is going to offer you many upgrades that will save you money. 4 or 5 upgrades just to give you a fair warning. Whether you choose to take the offers or not is up to you. The first offer, you will be paying yearly instead of monthly. You get 6 domain names hosted instead of 4, and you get 2 months for free, saving you about $20 on your purchase. The next offer is to upgrade your autoresponder from 500 up to 5,000 list members. Then the next offer is internet marketing training, which is what I do. If you want, you can just scroll down through all of this stuff to the bottom every time they make an offer and just click no thank you, I'm fine, take me to my members area. The next offer is website design, which again is what I do and what you're watching right now. And the last offer that GVO, Host and Profits, throws at us is Joel Tyrion's A to Z Home Study course. It wouldn't hurt to take a quick look at these offers, but again, if all you're looking to do at this time is get your website hosting set up for $9.97 monthly, just keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page and click no, I'm fine, thanks. Take me to my members area. When you do make it through all of the offers, your members area will look like this. You'll notice over on the left as I scroll down all of the different web marketing tools. But we don't even need to think about any of this right now. All we're doing in this video tutorial is setting up a traffic getting website. And here's what you need to do in order to get your website started. Click on Web Host Manager. Click here to access your Web Host Manager. Over on the left, click on Create a New Account. Right here you enter in the domain name you're about to buy or that you already bought. They will automatically give you a username here, or you can pick out your own if you want to. Now you can choose a password, or you can have a password generator do this. Now what you would do is left click, copy this, and I use Control-C on the keyboard to copy. And you want to make sure that what you do is open up a WordPad document or Notepad and copy that and save it for future use. And one tip is never ever give out your password on the internet. So I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to choose a different one. But after you have your username and your password in here, you enter in the email address where you want this information sent to. Scroll down to the bottom and you click on Create. Don't worry about anything else here. Just click Create. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fill this information out, and I'll create my account, and I'll meet you in the next part of this video. That was actually it for this section of the training. What I'm going to do right now is take you into the next video. I'm going to show you how to buy your own domain name and how to save money while you do it.